2D CAD in Chief. Chief insulates you pretty well from knowing what to do with CAD, but you know, you still need to learn XYZ, X's as you're facing your screen. Again, this screen would kind of be laying down on your desk, but assume that the screen is standing up. As you're facing your screen, X is back and forth, Y is up and down, Z is from the back of the screen to your face. Okay, that's your 3D aspect of the screen. And because your floor plan is being drawn in the 2D mode, the roof is always facing you in Z. All right, some of the CAD tools we want to talk about: point to point, trim, extend, and select and fence. Okay, be precise. Snap everything in your plan. Don't guess where things go. Don't just kind of move things into place. Snap them into place. Handles do things. Details are easy to draw. Walls are like CAD lines. Okay, and it works the same throughout. Chief's really a full function 2D CAD program. It really is. It's a really good CAD program once you get used to using it. You know, if all I drew was everything in 2D, I'd still use Chief, because the CAD tools are so good. So let me go open a new plan and let's just talk about a couple of things real quick, and we're just about done. All right, so we got snap tools. These handles do things. So when I click on something and I click on a line, so I've right-clicked on this edge right here with my right mouse button, and I get this handle right here. If I take this handle and I pull it over to this line, you won't see the handle move, but watch what happens. You see my cursor turns into a little, looks like an hourglass, but that's a snap tool. What that just did is it snapped that edge perfectly in line with that. Okay, perfect snap. So that's your snap tools. Point to point is this icon right here. Point to point. We actually set up a hotkey last time. After the class, guy just said, how do you set up a hotkey to make that work? So hit point to point. I want to move that edge to there. I guess let's do it. What the heck? Hotkey. Tools. Customize hotkeys. That is called PT. Type PT in your list here, and you'll see that item right here. You'll see that item right there. PT. PT to PT move. All right. Put an M in this box. Put an M here. It stands for move. Or I suppose you could put a P in there. Whatever keystroke you want to use. Whatever keystroke you want to use to activate that command. Click OK. Now when we want to move this point to point, I go here, click M, go here, oops, click M, point to point move. So I don't even have to go down the toolbar. You want to snap a circle to a box, draw a circle, click M, there's your center point of the circle. Come to this box that you want to put it in, you have to find two sides of the box and come to the middle and click. There's your circle centered on that perfectly. So point to point move. Be precise with it. It really works. All right, let's do a little bit of the CAD stuff here. I'm going to do multiple copy. 16 inches on center. Pull my copy over 16 inches on center. I don't want to talk about trim and extend. I'm going to draw a CAD line through that. So this is the basics of trim and extend. Trim and extend, you always select the item you want to trim or extend to. Here's your trim and extend tools right here. These two items right there. I'm going to click on the trim tool because I want to get rid of these lines. Highlight the item you want to trim to. Click the scissors tool. Click on an object and it'll trim that one object off. But what you really want to learn to use is the fence tool. Hit the object you want to trim to, the trim objects command. Here's your fence tool right here. Select the fence. So you click on that right after you select the scissors icon. And then you draw a line over all the ends. You draw a line over all of the ends that you want to trim off, and it will do them all at once. You're selecting a fence. Same thing with extend. Click the line, hit extend, hit make fence, draw a line over all of these. Boom. You've just extended that all out at once. Make fence. So there you go. So that's just a little bit about the 2D CAD tools. All right, so we're 20 minutes over. We're doing okay. We're not doing so bad. We're about done. I guess what I just want to do just a quick review here again of Chief Experts. You don't have to go it alone. I'm here to help. I got all this information on my website. It's all recorded. It's available anytime. I've got all these new classes coming up, and I've got a lot of guest speakers I'm going to have involved here. So take a chance, and if you're ready to make the commitment to really enhance and improve your skills with Chief Architect, just go to chiefexperts.com and hit the join button. And when you get to the register button here, you'll be presented with a form that you can fill in. You will have the option to do it all at once for $595, one payment, and you won't be billed again. There are no extra payments. And you'll save $200. That's February 21st. It's going to go back to $795. Or you could do 3 payments of $210 each. So $210 now, and then $210 in 30 days, and another $210 in 60 days. So it's a heck of a value. I mean, you're going to learn so much here. It's up to you. You make the commitment to learn. You're going to get the information. Once you get on this, you'll have instant access to everything on the site. I do have to finish setting up the registration for the classes coming up, but you'll get notice of those on a regular basis as they're made available. So I welcome you to check it out. You can also go to the calendar icon here if you want to see when things are coming up, and it's all listed here, and you can click on the agenda or by month, and you can see that starting every month. Right now I've got Thursday mornings. I'm doing some evening things too, and I tend to add more evening things. I'm trying to mix it up a little bit for everybody, so feel free to join in. So I'd really welcome your participation. So all right, so thanks. Let's just let me look at the list here, and I'll just see if there's any questions.